Hi, I'm Jim with Hamilton County Health Department. I'm the Education Outreach Coordinator, and I just want to take a few minutes to talk a little bit about our program, the health department that we have along with the Hamilton County Parks Department, about an AED station that we have actually located in 6 of the different county parks here. So if you feel that you need to use an AED, it's very important, number one, to make sure the scene is safe. Number 2, to call 911. If you notice on every AED box, there's a sticker here that actually gives a location of where you are, because that's so important. And they're going to walk you through everything. So it's really important to make sure that you put your phone on speakerphone, because if they prompt you to do CPR or the AED prompts you to do CPR, you need to make sure that you have both hands free. This box is very easy to use. What you're going to do is, I'm not going to open it up because the alarm will go off. What you're going to do is you're going to open up the box, take out the AED. As I mentioned, make sure the scene is safe. Put the pads on the individual just like the AED tells you. Our AED should have adult pads and pediatric pads as well too. The adult pads are already hooked in. The pediatric pads are usually in the back. Then just follow the prompts of the AED. One thing that I will tell you with the AEDs is if it gives you no shock advised, it does not mean that person's okay. It means that you have to check to see, are they moving, breathing, or coughing? And if they're not, then you need to start CPR. And something that I push a lot of people to do, if you haven't taken a CPR class, please let us know. We do many CPR classes free for the community. You'll learn adult, child, infant CPR. You'll learn how to manage someone who is choking, and you'll definitely learn how to use the AED as well too.